For most of human existence, shopping usually involved leaving the house, seeing and touching the goods on offer, and having a conversation with a stranger. Now, for the first time in history, it has become easier to buy from home than in person. With a single click, you can get almost anything delivered straight to your door.
Let's just say in the last 10 years, if we wanted to go and shop for a new outfit or something for the house, we had to shower and get dressed and get in our car and go to a store or a mall. And nowadays we can stay in our pajamas and watch Netflix and order it on our phone. And we're actually put out that we got to the checkout and now I gotta leave the room to go get my wallet. You can see how things have changed, and not all retailers have moved along with the change. And so the momentum of change now is almost growing exponentially to how fast technology is changing the way that we think, the way that we shop, the way that we view brands, etc. I don't think the in-store is going to go away. It's going to transform. We're still going to want that human interaction, and actually we might see the pendulum swing back a little bit as we rethink things and we realize we don't want to stay in our pajamas all day. And so you'll see more of a rebalancing, I think, coming in the future. But there'll be a lot of interesting in-store experience as well with augmented reality. So you'll see also a federation of that technology making it to in-store as well.
E-commerce marketplaces allow businesses to extend their reach beyond their local geographical location, to offer customers around the globe opportunity to purchase their goods, no matter where they live.
The online shopping experience has changed in multiple ways. One is the number of products people are having on their sites. So the site size and complexity has gotten a lot larger. The larger it is, the harder it is to manage. And so a lot of retailers have struggled with that move from selling a small assortment or a small number of the products they may have in store to actually selling more products online than they have in store. So that is an exponential problem because it's harder to find things when you have so many categories online. And how do you decipher what the user's looking for when you have so many different data points in the system? There's quite a few different types of users. Some people go in and type literally one word. And so the system has to take that single word and then derive user intent, which is difficult to do. Some people put one or two words. So I'm looking for black shorts. But if, for instance, I have short black dresses, that also matches on that. And having a system that can decipher what the user's intent is by their actions and data augmentation, we're able to solve that problem. I've been in e-commerce for the last 15 years. So we have tried to solve these problems in different ways, and technology has come a long way since it has a decade and a half ago. And really looking at the modern tools available, we never really in the past got to what I call the promised land, is really to get to that automagical sort of state where the system just works and the system is self-learning and self-taught. There has to be human intervention because we have promotions and things that marketers want to do, but the machine can do a lot of the work now. And so a lot of the overused buzzwords like AI and machine learning are well applied to systems like this.
Along with this rapid change of pace in e-commerce comes a wave of digital consumer data and confusion as to how to handle it and which solution is right for your company. GroupBy, a site search solution for the mid-tier to enterprise retailers, offers a well-rounded, feature-dense application that delivers highly relevant and personalized customer experiences. By utilizing advanced machine learning and data enrichment capabilities, GroupBy is changing the way people shop online.
GroupBy's mission is to create the most highly converting and highly profitable user experience for our clients, all requiring less humans and cost to operate. But it kind of goes beyond there, is that we try to create a company that puts our clients first and helps them take their platforms to the modern age and helps them with innovations and things that they haven't thought about. Most retailers obviously came from traditional brick and mortar buildings. The early 2000s was the switch to online. So a lot of people started to build online stores. The very early ones were very rudimentary, very basic. Nowadays, they're very rich in content, video, product descriptions, reviews, ratings, all these things come into that website. They want to create a seamless experience from that. And it's very difficult to do when you have so many moving parts. And so one of the things that we help them do is create a highly relevant, easy to use, Google-esque experience for the retailer. So we hide all that complexity, create a very easy user flow so that you buy more and more often from the retailer. GroupBy's biggest strength is its employees. The way that we would summarize it is through 3 Ps: people, product, and profits. And our employees are people that create the product, they service our customers. Without customers, we wouldn't be successful. So you need all that taken care of because the rest will not happen without the first one handled. The next is you have to create a superior product. You have to have the best one in the market, but you have that down. The last thing that will happen is profits. And that allows us then to reinvest in the first two Ps.
Contact GroupBy today to start delivering highly relevant and personalized customer experiences. GroupBy, changing the way people shop online. Visit GroupByInc.com to schedule a demo to see our platform in action.